Hello there YouTube, TechSavagePro here, and today I'm going to be showing you how to get the beta of iOS 12.4. So today we're going to be installing beta 7 of 12.4. Now this has not been publicly released yet. Obviously I am on the latest public version, as you can tell, 12.3.1, as of the time that I'm going to be uploading this video, or making this video at least. But furthermore, we're just going to jump straight into it. So the website will be linked in the description below. I have talked about this site in the past. Basically, all the profiles are the same as far as like iOS 12 goes, but there is a new one which we will be going over probably next video on how to get iOS 13. So basically, there's a lot of betas here, but the one that we're going to be focusing on, and see, that one right there will actually block updates, I believe. But like I said, we're going to be focusing on how to get the 12.4.1 update before it is publicly released. So as you can tell, it does say beta 7. Now in terms of iOS, usually beta 7 is the GM version or the Gold Master version, which usually the Gold Master version is the final build version for public release. So this will be our last chance to get it before it is publicly released. So what you're going to do is you're going to go to this website, you're going to click the same profile that I did, and if you do have an Apple Watch, do not click Apple Watch, click iPhone. It's going to say profile downloaded, and then you're going to go back over here and you're going to click profile downloaded, iOS 12 beta software profile, enter your password. If you do have one, click install, click install again, enter your password, and then click restart. Alright, so we are back up and running. Nothing's different, we just have a new software update, which won't actually prompt us because it is a manual update. It's still over the air, so like if I go to it, it will still come up as the beta, but it's not a manual update. Like, it's not going to force you to update, as you can tell right there. So it does say beta 7. Obviously this background is a bit misleading, but it's still the same update. So yeah, and it isn't installed, obviously. You can tell 12.3.1. So what we're going to do is we're just going to go ahead and install it. Alright, so once you do that, it is going to spin that little gear right there. It's going to say, for me, it's about 38 minutes remaining, and I will be back whenever the update is finished. Alrighty, I am back from updating. So like I said, so as you can tell, it does say update completed. Just click continue. It's gonna finish doing that, and then whenever that gets done, you will be fully set up with the iOS 12.4 beta update. Gotta go ahead and click continue. It says welcome to iPhone. Swipe up to get started. Boom, we got all our stuff. Just to go ahead and prove it to you, we do have a new app. It's called the Feedback app. This is how Apple gets data from beta testers. If we go to general, go over here, you can look right there by my software version 12.4. and yeah, so hopefully you did like this video. Of course, remember, all links will be in the description below. Make sure that you do comment, like, and subscribe. Make sure that bell notifications are on. Make sure that they do say always on so you never miss a video. Make sure that you do follow my Twitter for constant updates. And as always, peace out. See you in the next one.